In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to authenticate your domain in Constant Contact. Domain authentication is a crucial step to ensure that your emails are delivered effectively and are not mistakenly flagged as spam by your recipient's email providers. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you're going to want to navigate to your Constant Contact dashboard. This is where it all begins. Once you've got your dashboard in front of you, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will give you access to account-specific settings and preferences. After you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to select the Settings option. This section allows you to configure and personalize various elements of your account to better suit your needs. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Advanced Settings tab. It's important because this is where you'll find the options necessary to authenticate your domain. Click on that tab to proceed. Inside the Advanced Settings, you will want to locate the option that says Self-Authenticate Your Email Address. Click on the button labeled Add Self-Authentication. This step is crucial as it enables you to commence the process of authenticating your domain through DKIM, which stands for Domain Keys Identified Mail, a technical standard that helps protect email senders and recipients from spam, spoofing, and phishing. Now, you'll choose to self-authenticate using DKIM SNAME records. DKIM allows the sending domain to digitally sign outgoing messages, ensuring their legitimacy. Once you've selected this option, go ahead and click Continue. You'll now be prompted to select another domain. This is an opportunity to ensure the correct domain is being authenticated. After selecting, just click Continue one more time. Next, you'll need to input your email address and then click the Add Email button. This is necessary because a verification email will be sent to this address. It's a security measure to make sure you have the authority to authenticate the domain. Once you've done that, a message will pop up, confirming that a verification email has been sent to your specified email address. It's important to check for this email as it contains a critical link needed to verify your action. Head over to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Constant Contact. Make sure to click the link provided in that email. This action verifies your email address, and you should then return to the Constant Contact page to complete your self-authentication setup. And that's it! You've successfully set up domain authentication in Constant Contact. Remember, this process not only helps in improving email deliverability, but also establishes the credibility and integrity of your email communications. Thanks for joining me today, and happy emailing!